when the blood pH get reduced? Option A, reduce the rate of heartbeat. This is incorrect. A reduction in pH typically triggers the compensatory mechanism such as increase in heart rate to help clear the excess carbon dioxide and acid from the body. So A is incorrect. B, reduce the blood supply to the brain. This is also incorrect because a decrease in pH can stimulate increased breathing to expel carbon dioxide and lower acidity. So the brain would actually receive increased blood supply due to need for oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide. So option B is also incorrect. Option C, decrease the affinity of hemoglobin with oxygen. This is true. When the pH of the blood decreases, that it becomes more acidic, it affects the hemoglobin's ability to bind oxygen. That is, the saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen decreases. Because the hemoglobin's affinity for oxygen decreases in more acidic environment, and this phenomenon is known as Bohr effect. That is, in a lower pH environment, that is due to the increase in carbon dioxide or some other acidic conditions, the hemoglobin releases oxygen more readily to tissues that need it. So option C is the correct answer. Option D, release bicarbonate ions by the liver. This is also incorrect answer because the liver doesn't play a significant role in releasing bicarbonate ions in response to pH changes in the blood. So answer is option C.